Hey doll faces, in this video I'll be creating this look using the Culture palette. I will be using the shadows from column 5. If you want to see how I created this look, just keep watching. All right. You know we are the brows before anything else, tribe. So what are we doing? We are doing our brows. Okay, I am filling in my brows. I'm using the Makeup Geek brow liner in dark brown. So I'm just filling them in, and then I'm going to take a spoolie and just brush everything out just to make sure that everything is even and in order. You know how we do our brows. And once again, if you need a full detail on how to do the brows, I will make sure that I put the video in the eye so you guys can check it out. Now, once my brows are in the shape, in the direction that I want them to be in, I am going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel just to set everything down before we move on to the next step. Now that our brows are done, we're just going to go ahead and apply some primer. The primer that we're using for this look is the DermaBlend Professional Insta-Grip Jelly Primer. We are going to rub that all into our face, into our neck, because we are going to bring our foundation down our neck just to make sure that everything is even. Now I am shaping the bottom part of my eyebrow and also going to prep my lids. And what I am using is the Juvia's Place Match Stick, and this is in Belize. I don't know why I didn't use the Juvia's Place Eye Primer for this look, but I will recommend you to use that, especially if you plan on recreating this look. Since it's such a beautiful blue, colorful eye look, I would recommend you to use an eyeshadow primer if you have one to recreate this look. So the first shadow I'm going with is Afro. Oh my God, that color is so beautiful. When I was looking at this column, that was like the first color that stuck out to me because it reminds me of like seawater blue. But that's the first shade that we're using, and I'm just pretty much taking a medium-sized blending brush, and I'm just applying it all over my lid. I didn't want to bring it out too far. I kind of wanted to make it more of like a circle or a dome shape on my lid as much as possible, because I want it to be like a blown out smoky look, or more of like a blown out one shade smoky look. Now, baby, tell me why when I was like looking at like inspiration for an eye look, tell me why this is actually expected to be like a trend for 2025. I'm like, since when has colorful eyes been a trend in like a few years? But yeah, they said this look is supposed to be like a trend, not necessarily the color. Well, actually the color, the blue eyeshadow, like one tone eyeshadow, it kind of gives me like very much so like 70 vibes. But anyway, let's get back into this eye look. The second shade I end up using on the outer corner of my eyelid is actually Shekera. I used a small blend-in detail brush to kind of blend that on the outer corner, just give it a little definition. And then I moved on to another Juvia's Place shade stick in Mauritania. So I'm just pretty much applying that to the top of my forehead and the high points of my cheeks. I just wanted to give myself a little bit of color, a little bit of bronze. Since this eye look is so cool because it's all blues, I just wanted to balance it out by giving myself just a little bit of bronze. For my under eye concealer, I am using Skin Fetish by Pat McGrath. And then for the foundation I'm going to apply all over my face is from Juvia's Place Shade Stick in Belize. Now that everything is blended out, I'm applying a little bit of my Juvia's Place concealer in shade 20 and another shade stick. This one is in Barcelona. And I'm just applying it to my face just to add a little bit of highlight. I'm blending out the foundation stick first. And then once the concealer has dried down just a bit, I'm going to blend it out. Now I'm taking my piece of powder puff and using my Juvia's Place powdered foundation, and I'm just applying it underneath my eyes just to set everything. And then once that is done, I'm going to apply a little bit of my setting powder. The setting powder that I use for this look is from McGrath Labs, and it is the Skin Fetish Perfect Setting Spray. I mean, not spray, setting powder. Now that my face is set and done, well, we do have like two more steps to the face, but we're going to get to that a little bit later. We're going to finish up the eyes. So I'm taking my flat definer brush and I'm taking the shade Shekera and I'm just applying it to my lower lash line. And then to blend it out, I'm taking Afro beads with a small blender brush and I'm just blending out Shekera with that shade and then also bringing it around to kind of connect where it is from the bottom and the top. And as for inner corner highlight, I am actually using Aruba. Oh my goodness, this shade is so pretty. I don't know if you could see it in the video, but this shade is like a multi-chrome. It kind of transform into like it's green. You also get like a teal, and then you also see like blue, and then there's a bit of a gold. Like that shade is so freaking pretty. But anyway, as for my waterline, I'm taking a Makeup Geek pencil, and this one is in nude, I believe, but it doesn't matter because Makeup Geek don't sell makeup anymore. So let's just go ahead and move on. Now for my lashes, what I did is I actually took a shade from the palette, which is Bono, and I actually mixed this with a mixing medium. The mixing medium I use is from Inglot, and I just made that shadow into a liquid so that I can use it as a mascara. Now in this look, I really wasn't 100% sure on if I would like the black lashes or the blue, so that's why I did one eye with the black mascara and then the other eye with the blue. But ultimately, at the end, I really like the blue mascara with this look. I don't know, guys. Let me know down below which one you like the best, the black mascara or the blue mascara. Now, let's go ahead and move on to the lips. I'm lining my lips with Juvia's Place Luxe Liner in So Rare. I'm not doing two liners. I'm just going to do one. And I'm just pretty much overlining my lips just a little bit. But I'm going to blend that in. And then on top of the liner, I'm using a Juvia's Place lip cream. This is actually from the coffee shop, and that shade is Cream de Cacao. Now, girl, once I apply Cream de Cacao, I want a little extra shine to my lips. So I applied Lawless Forget the Filler lip gloss in Rosy Outlook on top of the lip that I already had. And honey, it was doing something for me. It was giving the shine that I was looking for. Once I done with my lips, I went ahead and set my face with the setting spray from Juvia's Place. And then I added a little extra highlight. For the highlighter, I used the Fenty Beauty highlighter in Mean Money. Hey, my doll faces, this is the look. What do you guys think? Are you planning on recreating this look? Let me know down below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please do subscribe. Thank you all for watching. And remember, you're made for more. See you next time. Bye.